Hey, what's going on? Just thought I'd do a video just cleaning up my N64 games, and yeah, so I thought I'd just show you guys what I'm doing. A lot of these games, they have like sticker residue and stuff on them from like video shops and stuff, and some of them even have stickers on them. Doesn't make them look very nice, so I'm going to remove it. This sticker here has come off quite nice, like it doesn't really leave a lot of residue, and it's covering the Nintendo logo too. You can't really see that, there's not much residue left on that from that sticker, but clean it off anyway. Pretty much what I'm doing is using this Dissolve-It stuff, and I'm just spraying it onto a tissue just so I don't like get it all over the label and stuff, because it'd probably ruin it. But in America, overseas, there's some stuff called Goo Gone, I think is what you want to look for if you're in America. But this is the stuff we have here. Oh no, there's a vivid mark underneath. I suppose you can spray it on, like, if you're careful, like this. I'm just doing it close up so it shouldn't go over onto the label. That vivid mark actually came off. It's interesting. I'll try that on my other games. Got another vivid mark on it, so it's looking pretty good compared to what it was. And then we'll do the other side. Same thing really. It's pretty good. And then obviously you can't really see the barcode here, the residue, but you can feel it, so we'll go over it. Just remove it. It's all good. Easy as. So you can see it's looking a lot better than it was. Just going to go and get, this label's actually pretty good too. Probably want to give it a bit of a dry off now too, actually. Nice. That label's pretty good too on that Bomberman game. Just going to go grab my other game and see if it works with the vivid. Alright, so you can see it's got a bit of vivid on there. Permanent marker, I think is what you might call it. I don't know. But yeah, just going to do the same thing. Spray a bit of this Dissolve-It on, see if it works, because it just worked, I'm pretty sure, for the other one. So very slowly, but a little more now. This label is pretty long. I know you can buy replacement stickers and even print them off yourself. I've seen people doing that, so probably take that one off at the back and replace it. But and I'll just turn this video off for now, and then I'll come back when it's done. So pretty much got that vivid off now. You can see it ever so slightly, but it's good enough. I can't be bothered doing it anymore. So, but I might just take this label off anyway. This back one. Definitely got to be careful with not to get that stuff over this label. As you can see, I've taken a bit off, but I wasn't really being cautious because I'm going to remove it anyway because it's so messed up. So really I'm just peeling off what I can. Just kind of scratching this back label off by hand. Probably something I could use, make it a bit easier, but I'm just going to carry on. So yeah, that came off alright. Just scratched it off like I said, and I had a bit of that dissolver on there too. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Like I said, you can get those replacement labels, so I might order some of them. And but yeah, cheers for watching.